My name's Finian Parrick, I'm the CEO of Minibems. Minibems is a smart Internet of Things control technology that goes into tower blocks or blocks of flats or offices, hotels to deliver energy efficiency and online visibility, remote visibility of what's going on inside a building. The standard approach to controlling the flow of heat around buildings today is not to use software, it's to use mechanical devices. And that means that there are compromises when we're talking about optimization of flow rate and the delivery of heat to buildings. So by using software to really optimize the flow rate of all the different circuits around a building, we can basically get much more heat transfer. And when you get much more heat transfer, you get much better boiler efficiency. So we were looking for a facility to do the development in, and we were originally just kind of looking for more office space here, but the office space didn't really lend itself to that kind of application. And so we spoke to the staff here, and they managed to get us into one of the boiler rooms, the Harrison building here at the university, and were very helpful in getting us set up. In fact, some university apprentices did all the fit out of the lab for us. And yeah, we've been in there for several months testing away, developing code, bug fixing, all that kind of stuff, ready for a rollout of a major project at the end of this month. But yeah, being here, obviously we met people from SETsquared, and they kind of understood what we were doing with Minibems and invited us to do a presentation at the Open Innovate Showcase in Canary Wharf. And out of that, actually, we had a very good relationship developed, which was with EDF. So EDF approached us at that event and said, we're offering businesses the opportunity to work with us. And they also have given us and continue to fund free offices in London for us. We're working with their supply chain, different areas of their business to identify where we could sell Minibems into their business streams that will obviously give us business, but also help them to retain and acquire new clients. You know, for many years, I didn't really ever know anything about the Innovation Centre or SETsquared. Would be the other side. And if I look back, you know, we had 3 years of funding with Minibems, and actually probably would have been sensible to have engaged with the Innovation Centre, you know, 3 years ago.